I'm Nick from State 8 Motorcycles, and today I'm excited to show you a bike you don't see every day, the Yamaha R1M. The R1M is a true superbike, a high-performance track-focused machine built as a street-legal racing bike. Race spec carbon fiber on the upper fairing, side fairings, and front fender. The same material as purpose-built race bikes. The fuel tank is clear-coated aluminum. Unlike the standard R1, the M wears the metal exposed. The Öhlins electronic racing suspension adjusts itself 125 times per second while riding. Yamaha built the R1M around the same crossplane inline-4 as the factory M1 race bike. 998cc, 200 horsepower, 3D control electronics. Race bike on a circuit, street bike in your driveway. Same DNA, two different worlds. 6-axis IMU, the first ever on a production street bike. It measures pitch, roll, yaw, and acceleration in every direction. The bike knows exactly where it is in space and adjusts itself in real time. The CCU logs your ride data and GPS tracking, then lets you download it straight to your phone via Wi-Fi on the Yamaha app. This is a super rare bike, less than 500 units released in the US market, and not every dealership can get their hands on something like this. It's a piece of motorcycle history, and we have it here for you. Come see it, come feel it. We'll be here at State 8 Motorcycles.